Alem Kindeya Gebru, Universität Stellenbosch, South Africa.
Let's talk about the 80% animal population on Earth. They are very important for the existence of life on Earth. They could be also devastating in terms of causing disease. I'm sure you'd guess what those are. They are insects. Just taking the data from the US, about $57 billion costs the US because of the ecosystem services by insects. So insects, if insects are not functioning properly in terms of pollination, it would cost about $57 billion. And 15 up to 30% of food comes directly or indirectly because of insect-mediated pollination. And they can also cause severe diseases like malaria when you go to tropical regions. But unfortunately, the monitoring techniques right now are heavily relied on manual techniques. But those are very inefficient in terms of very low sampling, detection bias, and they are limited to daytime monitoring. And obviously, we can't rely or we can't afford poor environmental monitoring. And we need to do something. Well, the way forward is I'm proposing the light-based optical techniques in order to have a better picture of our environment. This technique is based on light. By shining light to several kilometers landscape, one can get backscattering signal from insects in order to be able at least to answer three questions. How do insects interact? Interaction could be prey and predator, could be mate, could be territorial behavior, and how are they distributed in time? Seeing that the insect population peaks around 1 and drops at around 3 p.m. tells a lot of story about how they're diversified. And one can say, have some global information of their distribution in terms of agricultural landscape. As you can see, oat farm, wheat farm, and the cow field, they're showing different insect population dynamics. So I'm proposing today that optical technique is a way forward to have a better understanding of our ecosystem. And we need to break the walls of conventional insect monitoring. And the weapons are optical techniques. Thank you so much.